You're so far away. Doesn't anybody stay in one place anymore? La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di, back at your door. Doesn't help to know you're so far away. No. But that's not who I want to sing. Who do you want to sing? And the songbird keeps singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. No. Christy McVie. Is that her name? I hope so. You know, the piano player, singer from Fleetwood Mac. She started her journey. Yep. Tonight we honor the memory. Rest in peace, Christy McVie. Why does that sound wrong? I don't know if her name is Christy. Christy McVie? Christine McVie? Christine, 16, yeah. She's been around, but she's young and clean. That's such a gross song. I know, let's not sing it. MJ's here. Well, BOOZHOO, MJ. What's going on, MJ? Welcome back to the show. Pull up a chair. Have a cup of anibish. Anibishaboo. Anibishaboo. Have some hot tea. Because I hear you're a real hot tea. Hot tea for the hot tea, MJ. BOOZHOO, MJ. Oh, speaking of hottie, here comes Kaya. Oh, Kaya. BOOZHOO. That's how she spells it. BOOZHOO. 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 I want you. Yeah, yeah. Paul Stanley. Paul Stanley. Speaking of Paul Stanley, here comes Jim Dunn. BOOZHOO, Jim. Welcome to the show. We were just having some tea. Having a cup of hot tea on this cold night. On this cold winter night. It's the first evening of December. Of the little winter moon? Little spirit moon. Little spirit moon? Manadu Giza Soons. Little spirit moon. The little spirit. I wanted to call it Bungi Manadu Gizas. Yeah, I know you did. But officially, they spell it Manadu Gizas. Manadu means spirit. Gizas is the sun or the month. It also means the moon. Some Dipik Gizas is the moon. So people say in Ojibwe they called it the little. To make something little, you often add a ounce or an ants, ounce, you know. And then, so they say Manadu Giza Soons. Yeah. Little spirit moon or December. But I wanted to call it the Bungi, the little Manadu Gizas, little spirit moon, because next month it's going to be Gitche Manadu Gizas, great spirit moon. I think we're talking about a different spirit. Yeah, the creator. Yeah, we're talking about Gitche Manadu, the great spirit. This is the little. Now, what is the little spirit? What's the little spirit, sweetie? I don't know. What do you think the little spirit is? A little spirit is symbolizes the baby Jesus. Really? No, I don't think so. I don't know. It's the days are short. A little spirit could just, I heard once about spirits. What's that? They say spirits are all around us. They're like little mosquitoes. And sometimes people will see spirits like in a sweat lodge, and they'll look like little spark of blue light or something. Oh, really? Yeah. That's just what I heard. That's what you heard. That's what I heard. I'm sticking to it. Curtis is here, sweetie. Well, bonjour, Mr. Mills. Mr. Mills, it's so very nice to have you with us. Please, pull up a chair. We're talking about some very serious stuff tonight. Yeah. Mino Onogoshin. Good evening. Good evening, America. Tonight's evening news is brought to you by the pharmaceutical industry. If there's something wrong with you, take a shot, have a pill, whatever. Put your trust in drugs. Now for a commercial on not doing drugs. Or whatever. Mino Onogoshin. Good evening. Good evening, sweetie. Mino Onogoshin. Niwini Mushane. Good evening, my sweetheart. Hoka hey. Mino Onogoshin. But today, it's time to wake up. Goshkozi. Goshkozi, wake up! Gotta wake up or go to sleep. Nipa. Nipa. Gotta count your sheep. Nipa. Because they ba. Try to find a connection. Try to find some connection. Nipa. And sleep. Goshkozi. That's when you wake up. Remember that scene in La 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 Bamba? Yeah. Where he's in the Wet Sweat Lodge or whatever. Yeah. Little Frankie Valli or whoever. That's not Frankie Valli. That's Richie Valens. Richie Valens. Richie Valens goes down to Mexico. Goes to a sweat lodge. And the old medicine man there, he's like, says something in Spanish. And he asks his cousin, he goes, what do you say? Because the old man says, when you live, you sleep. But to die, no, to live is to sleep. To die is to wake up. Nepa, sleep. Goshkozi. And then Richie Valens is like, what is this place? And his Resi cousins all, is Mexico. Is Mexico. Yeah. That was a cool movie. Yeah, it was. La 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 bamba. La 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 bamba. Goshkozi. Let's wake up. Mino Onogoshin Nanaboozhoo says, Wally Bear is here, sweetie. Oh, bonjour, Wally Bear. Hey, Wally Bear. Saying hello to you, me, you, and Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. Hey, everybody. How you doing? How's it going, buddy? Not too bad. Spent a lot of time putting together music videos lately. Yeah. Hey, nice job, by the way. Big miigwech, chi miigwech to little Jesus Humphrey. And everybody at the McCrosty Art Center in Grand Rapids. We had our live stream. We just had our live show at the art center there. It was really cool. They had the whole room set up with chairs. It was a nice mix of adults and little kids. And Michael sang some songs, and we told jokes and stories. And everybody seemed pretty pleased. And then Hoa, that was a brilliant move, giving away books. What do you mean? You made more money by giving away books than you would have if you had sold the books. Yeah, no kidding, huh? So Michael has books for sale at Amazon.com. If you'd like to support the show, click the link in the description box and all the links to Amazon and our GoFundMe page and all that. But instead of going to a show and then charging children for Michael's, books, Michael's a cartoonist. We just decided, well, you know what? Let's just bring a bunch of books for gifts. I don't know how many people are going to be there, but we'll just bring them, it's a stack of books we have. Here you go. Merry Christmas or whatever. Yeah. And then they put out a little, here's your free will donation. So people are like, yeah, okay, here's $20. I'm like, what? We only sell them for $9, but thank you, miigwech. Then at the end of the night, we just had this whole bowl of money. And that little Jesus paid us twice as much as we thought we were going to make. Little brat. Yeah. But we really had a lot of fun, and miigwech, everybody. Now, that charter school wants us. Trek North? Yep. Somebody from Trek North contacted Michael today and was like, hey, you guys want to do a storytelling event? Well, I'll tell you some stories. Did you hear about the one-armed man who went fishing? He caught a fish this big. But I was like, yeah, that sounds fun. We'll do a storytelling. So a couple of weeks we're going to be at Trek North School in Bemidjigamug, the home of Paul Bunyan and Babe. And so there's that. Yeah, there's that. What else is going on, Michael? Not much. How's that calendar coming? I've done absolutely nothing on it. Yeah, I noticed. We had an idea of making a calendar of the show for next year. 2023, the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO calendar. All we need are 12 photographs of you and me, Michael maybe, and Emily. Maybe the Ojibwe word of the month, like Manadu, Giza Soon's Little Spirit Moon, December. See, this is what it would be. Down below, there'd be the month, like December. There'd be a frozen picture of me going, yeah. And then there'd be Manadu, Giza Soon's Little Spirit Moon. People can learn the month. We could make that tonight. What? Never mind. I was interrupting. I didn't mean to. Go ahead. All right. Excuse me, darling. I was just chewing out Michael. Yeah, go ahead. We could do it tonight. Yeah, I know, but I haven't had anything to eat. Maybe we'll have a calendar ready for Christmas. But it's December now, so clock is ticking. Tick-tock, Michael. Hey, why don't you do it? I would, but I don't have any legs. You're disabled. I'm disabled. Don't look at me. I dream of being a little boy. If Geppetto here would wish upon a star. Wanna do Giza Soons. December. A little spirit moon. And, here comes Surrealist. Hey, BOOZHOO, Surrealist. Mino Onagoshin. Good evening. And she says, congratulations on your big show. Yeah, miigwech. Yeah, it was cool. It was really fun. Your illustrations would be an awesome calendar. Michael, you also have illustrations. Maybe at the end of the show we can show the months of the year. Yeah, okay. Because that could be a calendar. I don't know, sweetie. The calendar could be both. It could be you and I, Michael's cartoons. But it's just 12 pages. It's so much cheaper and less trouble than doing a whole children's book. Yeah, no kidding. We can charge basically the same. Anyway, how about a song? You gonna play a song? Yeah. How about Dancing in the Dark? There you go. All right. Now for our next song. Here's a tune by Bruce Springsteen. Ah. This is Dancing in the Dark. Get up in the evening and I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning, I go to bed feeling the same way. I ain't nothing but tired. Man, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Hey, baby, I could use just a little help. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Message keeps getting clearer. Radio's on and I'm moving around the place. I check my look in the mirror. I wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face. Man, I ain't getting nowhere. Just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere. Baby, I just know there is. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Sitting around getting older. There's a joke here somewhere and it's on me. I'll take the world off my shoulders. Come on, baby, the laugh's on me. You hang out late in this town, and they'll be carving you up all night. You say you gotta stay hungry. Hey, baby, I'm just about starving tonight. I ain't nothing but actions. I'm just trying to write this book. I need a love's reaction. Come on, give me just one look. You can't start a fire. Worrying about your little world falling apart. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Even if we're just dancing in the dark.
Nice.
Michael Lyons.
All right.
Then, finally, let's do a song that I wrote, and it's called Emily.
Oh.
So, back in the days of the grandfathers,
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask her how she sees. When she looks, she's watching you and me.
This is a story about a big bad wolf, a big bad Maingan. Chi Maji Maingan. Chi Maji Maingan is a big bad wolf.
This is my mistake, but I'll get only what I take. Oh, yeah.
And then there were these three little pigs. There were three pigs. And this way, Gukushog. Gukushog, pigs. A Gukush is a pig. Gosh. Anyway, so there's this big bad wolf and these 3 pigs, right? And one of the pigs, he built his house out of straw. It was like, I'm gonna build a house out of straw. That seems like a reasonable thing to do. And the next pig, he goes, well, no, I'm gonna build my house. I want to build my house out of sticks.
And Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snowflakes find their way up her nose. Don't ask her how she feels. And don't ask her what is real. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. Ooh, you have no idea it could be asleep before it finally wakes. But we've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sake. Oh, time again, I tell my lonely friends I don't know what's at stake.
Gonna make me a little shack of sticks. That'll be my house. Well, that third pig, that third Bukush, he was all like, nah, I'm gonna build my house out of bricks. My house is gonna be big and strong, brick house. Well, what happens? Day come when the big bad wolf, the big bad machine gun, he comes up to that first little pig's house, and he's all like, hey, little pig, let me in. Little pig goes, not by the hair of my chin. Well, my gun, he go, well, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. So he huffed and he puffed, and he blew that house right over.
Emily's got one crazy eye.
Little piggy go running to his neighbors in a stick house, and he goes in there and he goes, look, you gotta help me, the big bad wolf after me.
Big bad wolf.
The big bad wolf come by and he's all like, hey, little pigs, let me in. And the pigs go, not by the hair of our chins. You can't come in here. You must be crazy. You think I'm gonna let you in here? And he goes, well, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house right in. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew that house right in. Them sticks, they couldn't even stay together. It was the big bad wolf, he blew it right down. Well, they go running over to their brother in the brick house. And he lets them in there. You gotta help us. The big bad wolf is blowing down our houses. And their brother in the brick house goes, well, what'd you think was gonna happen? That's why I told you should have built your house out of brick.
Oh, wow.
That big bad wolf, he come by, he knocks on the door. And he goes, hey, little pig, let me in. And they go, not by the hair of my chin. Well, he goes, then I huff and I'll puff and I'm blow this house right in. So he huffed and he puffed. Then he tried to blow that house in. But you know, it was made out of brick. You can't just blow a house down like that. Quite frankly, I don't think you could blow a house down, a house of straw down that way.
Yeah.
But, so then he goes, well, I guess I'll leave you pigs alone. And he left. And he went into the woods. And he met a girl named Little Red Riding Hood. But that's another story. This has been the story of the 3 little pigs and a big bad wolf. A story I never really understood. What was the point? What's the moral of that story? I guess build out of brick. Don't trust wolves. I don't really know. But there you have it. That's your morning story.
Oh,
Back to you, NanaBOOZHOO.
Yeah. I've never understood any of the children's stories. Like the moral of the story. What do you think it is? I think she's right. Don't trust wolves. Don't trust wolves. I don't know. Anyway, Boozhoo Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. Natasha Nindishanakas. Natasha is my name. And hey, bro. What? Am I your bro now? Yeah, you're my bro. Can you do me a salad, brother? Can you teleport me? Can you do a salad for a sister? Yeah, I can do a salad for a sister. Want me to teleport you outside? Would you mind? Not at all. Let's see, hang on. I'm gonna go outside. Put out some tobacco. All right, so I'll be one to teleport. Yes, please. Make it so, number one. No. Oh, it's pretty out here. Zogipon. It is snowing. Zogipon. Zogipon. Onagoshin. It is snowing this evening. Iji Onagoshin, I guess. Zogipon Iji Onagoshin. It is snowing this evening. Boozhoo Kitchimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Anin. Iji Ayayan. How are you? Namino Aya. I'm good. Dear Great Spirit. I'm just writing a letter. That's what prayer is sometimes. Kitchimanadu. Mikwach ka iji ka kina keku. Ka iji chikea nungom. Thank you for everything that you do today. Mikwach ka iji ka kina keku. Thank you for everything. Mikwach ka iji bamadizian. Thank you for my life. Mikwach ka iji webak. Thank you for this weather. Dash. And thank you for healing my heart. Mikwach ga kake. Ninde. I always try to remember to thank him for healing my heart. It's not like I had a heart attack or something, but, for healing my grief. I used to say, Miigwech gaiji gake niwi got osita wendam. I would say, thank you for healing my sorrow. But it wasn't my sorrow that it needed healing. It was my heart. And when you not overcome, but kind of get through depression or grief, that's when you should get some tobacco, a sema, and thank the Creator for getting you through. Sometimes by thanking him, it's also like a request. Hey, thanks for doing that. And P.S., keep it up. Don't let, because grief, the blues, it's like you get through the storm, but it can always snow again. So you say, Miigwech, Kitchimanadu, thank you, Great Spirit. Accept my tobacco. Odapanan niwi asema. Ape inge. Amen. Here's what I learned recently, but, what do I know? I'm just a little girl. Oh, it's just really pretty out here. I want to have a snowball fight. But I suppose I should go back. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, hey, honey. You ready to come home?
Yeah, can you teleport me back?
Yeah, you got it. 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Hey, welcome back.
Oh, thank you so much.
How is it outside?
It's actually beautiful. It's kind of cold, but, nice. Anywho.
What?
Cherylis just gave us $50.
Hoka chimi guach, Cherylis.
Thank you so much, Cherylis. We really appreciate it. We're in the money.
I'm feeling sunny.
We got a lot of what it takes to get along. No. You ever notice how poor people have no idea how to act when they get money?
Yeah, I think as Chris Rock has said, wealthy people, when they get money, they're quiet about it. They invest it. They put it in the bank. They don't say anything. When poor people get money, they like dance around, show their check to people.
Yeah.
And then it's just countdown till when poor people are poor again.
Exactly. Woo! We're in the money. And then, fast forward 2 weeks, we're broke again. Oh, please support the show. Anyway, we were supposed to pay rent today and we didn't.
Nope, we didn't.
Maybe tomorrow?
Yeah, for sure tomorrow.
Today is the 1st of the month. You know what that means? It means it's Manadu Gizasoon's little spirit moon. But you still gotta pay the rent. Go pay the rent, Michael.
I will.
And, what else did we learn today? Mino Onagoshin, good evening. Good evening, everybody. No. Oh, doggone it. You know who I wanted to talk to?
Who's that?
The Count.
The Count from Sesame Street?
Yeah. Don't you guys love the Count? He's always like, good evening. Here's my impression of the Count from Sesame Street.
Good evening. I am the Count from Sesame Street. Oh, wow, that's really good.
Isn't it?
One. It's so funny to count. That's really creepy.
I know, I'm good at doing impressions. I could also do Donald Trump.
All right, let's hear Donald Trump.
China.
That's pretty good.
Rudy Giuliani. Tremendous.
What's your Joe Biden?
This is my Joe Biden.
Come on, man. That sounds kind of like George Bush.
Yeah, George Bush it sounds a lot like that. George Bush, George W. George W is all like, what do you say?
We're going to get them terrorists.
I can't remember. But yeah, I like doing impersonations. Cookie Monster.
Me love cookie. Yeah. How about Rolf the dog?
Rolf the dog's interesting. He's got a gruff voice, but he's also like really working class.
Stay away from women. That's my motto. But I can't. Neither can I. That's my trouble. Can't live with them.
Can't live without them. No. But anyway.
You want to take a call?
Well, sure, I'll take a call. What line?
Line 2.
Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Oh, yes, hello, darling. It's me. It's Prince Harry.
Well, hi, Prince Harry. What's going on?
Well, I wanted to call because I was having such a dreadful, boring time with my wife.
Meghan Merkel?
Yes, she's a tremendous bore, isn't she?
I don't think so. I think she's pretty. Let me pull up a picture of her. Yeah. What's wrong with Meghan Merkel?
Oh, she's just worn out her welcome.
You're not into Meghan anymore?
She's made me turn against my family. She calls everybody a racist, and I just stand there and say nothing.
I know. That's kind of what everyone's mad at you about.
Yes, but, she's my wife. What can I do?
Well, you're supposed to tell her to quit calling your family racist. It's going to make things awkward around the holidays,
Yes, but she's a tremendous bore, isn't it?
Well, you married her.
I sometimes wish I'd never met her.
Well, it's too late now. You got kids and stuff. What do you want me to do?
Well, I was wondering if you'd care to have dinner with me sometime.
What?
Just you and me, a romantic dinner. Hey, what's going on over there?
I think Harry's asking me out. You want me to have dinner with you?
Yes, just someplace quiet, We could have a candlelight dinner. I'd order some wine, and we could have, dinner and get to know one another. Who knows?
Who knows? Well, thank you, no. I've already got a boyfriend, Nanaboozhoo.
Hey, yeah, you mind, Harry? Besides, you're married. Oh, yes, but she's a dreadful bore.
Well, still, I can't go with you, Harry.
All right, then. Say, what's the Ojibwe word of the day?
Well, we were talking about December, but we were also saying Mino Onagoshin. That's how we say good evening in Ojibwe.
Mino Onagoshin. Good evening. Well, darling, let me say, just once and for all, Mino Onagoshin, good evening, and a good night to you. And I'm dreadfully sorry for asking you out. I'm beside myself.
No, that's fine. Just, don't cheat on your wife.
Yes, all right. How does one say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye, you weirdo. We say Gigawaba Min Mina Wa.
Well, Gigawaba Min Mina Wa Natasha.
Yeah, you do, buddy.
Wow, Prince Harry just asked out my girlfriend right in front of me.
Yeah. Do you feel emasculated?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, I didn't go out with him.
Yeah, thanks.
Gigawaba Min Minawa. I will see you again is the Ojibwe phrase of the day. To learn more about how to say goodbye to princes.
Would you have gone out with Prince if he had asked you?
Prince, the artist formerly known as Prince?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
I don't want to be taller than my date.
You're only like 3 feet tall.
I know, and I would still be a head taller than Prince. No, I'm happy just, you and me.
Yeah, okay.
Once I was a fool, dreaming my life away. Paul Stanley.
Hey, Natasha, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good. How you doing?
What?
I said, how you doing?
Well, I can't hear you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
He's deaf.
I know.
What? Never mind. Paul Stanley, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, so there was that. What is this now?
It's not the moon.
Do I dare take another call from somebody I don't know who it is?
Yeah, live a little.
Line 2?
Yep, line 2. Sweetie, you have a call on line 2.
Who is it?
I don't remember.
Okay. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Oh, see, it's not even a picture of that.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, guys. I thought that was going to be another caller. Can I find The Count.
Yeah, sure. You want me to call him?
Could you?
Yeah. Okay, hang on.
I'm gonna call the Count from Sesame Street.
Okay, here he is. It's ringing. Hello, Count. Hi, it's NanaBOOZHOO from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Yeah, I'm doing really good. Would you like to be on the show? Natasha would like to talk to you. Yeah, okay, hang on. All right, sweetie. The Count is on line 2.
Line 2, you say, huh? Hello, Count. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Nope. Okay. You're on the air.
Natasha, how are you? Mino Onagoshin, good evening.
Hi, Count. I'm good. I was going to teach you that word, but you already know it.
Oh, yes, of course. I watch the show all the time. I watch the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. It is so good, and I can learn so much Ojibwe. I learn. Mino Onagoshin. Good evening.
Yeah. I think somebody's looking for a job.
You know, if you are looking for a new sidekick, I think I would be a wonderful addition to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
Really? What do you think, NanaBOOZHOO? Can the Count be part of our little live stream?
Maybe in the future, but for now, he has to just call in.
Why is that?
Well, for a million reasons, but...
Well, we're going to put a pin in that, Count, but yeah, maybe. Because it is possible. I've thought about that, getting Kermit the Frog, the real Kermit, on the show.
Yeah?
And we could get the real Count if we wanted to take some of the Sharilla's $50 and order something from a certain company.
Well, let me look into it.
All right. We'll get back to you on that. Anyway, so you're not happy working on Sesame Street?
Oh, it's been the same thing year in and year out. All they want me to do is count to 10. And I'm so tired of it.
You don't like counting anymore? I thought you loved to count.
Well, there was a time. But come on, the only reason they want me to count is that they think it is so funny that my name, Count Von Count, reminds them of counting numbers. I mean, it was funny 40 years ago, but I have so much more to offer.
Yeah, you're right, you too. They're really wasting his talent.
I could transform into a bat.
Exactly! Why don't they ever have him fly around? If I were in charge of Sesame Street, I would have a whole episode that's just your life.
Oh, that would be wonderful.
Yeah, I'd show him, sleeping in a casket, waking up, changing into a bat, killing people.
Killing people? Oh, I would not want to kill people.
Well, in my show, it would be closer to, it wouldn't be Interview with a Vampire. That's a little too... I don't want to say it.
Guy?
Yeah, guy. It'd be more classic, Bram Stoker.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
How cool would it be to have a Sesame Street meets Bram Stoker? Oh, no, even better.
What?
Okay, new movie idea. We'd have to dumb it down and somehow include vampires in it. But Mary Shelley's Frankenstein movie, 20 minutes movie, you, me, Count, somebody to play, what's his name? The guy who plays Frankenstein monster.
Oh, yeah. Don Corleone.
Yeah, whatever that actor's name. Meet the Fockers. No, that'd be impossible.
No, we could do a lot with green screen.
That's true. Maybe next Halloween.
Yeah.
Anyway. So, yeah, I get it. I mean, it's been a one joke thing with you since I was a little girl. So maybe it's time. It's time for the Count Von Count movie. If you ask me, you're the best character Sesame Street has.
Even more than Rolf?
No, Rolf is a Muppet Show guy.
You are so kind to me, Natasha. I really love you. Maybe one day you and I could just sneak away and have a romantic dinner.
What?
I would like to ask you out to go to a romantic dinner with me. Oh, we would have such lovely time.
Hey, would you quit asking out my girlfriend right in front of me?
Oh, never mind, Nanaboozhoo. I was talking to Natasha.
Yeah, never mind you. I can't go out. I mean, I don't want to. Nanaboozhoo is my boyfriend. I can't go to dinner with other men.
You are breaking my heart. Breaking my heart. Kika wapa min. Mina wa.
Wow. I really broke his heart.
What's with these guys asking you out right in front of me?
I don't know.
That is so emasculating. You can't just ask out a guy's girlfriend in front of him. If they were here, I'd fight him.
You would not.
Maybe not.
But you never know. Giga man. I feel like the belle of the ball.
Yeah, everybody wants you.
Everybody wants me. I want some too. No. Everybody needs some. What about you? Everybody. What's your favorite Van Halen song?
I don't have a favorite. 1984.
1984. You mean Jump?
Yeah, Jump.
Might as well jump. Might as well jump. I thought David Lee Roth was not doing well.
Oh, really?
I saw something somewhere like a month ago. So, yeah, David Lee Roth's on death's door. And they showed this horrible picture of him in the hospital. But I haven't heard anything. As far as I know, he's still alive and kicking. Alive and kicking. Yeah, I remember the 80s. Oh, God. T-Rex had some good songs. You mean like, what was one David Bowie wrote for them?
All the Young Dudes.
All the young dudes carry the news. Goo-da-doo-doo, yeah. Carry the news. Jimmy rocked all night about a suicide. I was kicking in the head when he was 25.
All the young speed of you want to stay alive.
When you're 25. Lucy's stealing clothes from unlocked cars. Benny's got zits. He's ripping up the stars from his face, honey. Funky little bro brace. Television man is crazy. Nah. Yeah, T-Rex. Oh, wait, that was Mott the Hoople. Yeah, what am I thinking? Yeah, Mott the Hoople. What is T-Rex? To the sound of old T-Rex. And when it comes to all that living, I know I'm giving. Who did that?
That's the Who.
The Who? Who?
Yeah.
What?
Who?
No, the band.
Who?
What's the name of the band? The Who. That's what I'm asking. No. Are you going to take me home tonight? Anyway. So, what else did we have to teach today, sweetie? Gagagay, Minawana Gozi Gawinning, the land of everlasting happiness. Hello, children. Welcome to Sunday school. Today we will discuss who goes to heaven and who doesn't. I know for sure. Which religion gets you into heaven and which will not. No. That last live stream was insane, by the way.
You mean the one where I went to hell?
Yeah. If you got a chance, you haven't seen last from 2 days ago, Nanaboozhoo goes to hell and then to heaven and back. I think that's the name of the show. I think we were getting carried away.
Yeah, a little bit.
Gagage, Menawannagozi, winning, land of everlasting happiness. And last, I don't know when we talked about it. Well, it was probably when you went to heaven.
Yeah.
In Ojibwe, or in the Anishinaabe spiritual life way, Manadoog Bamadazian. What was I going to say? Oh, it's just like every religion where ultimately there's a place where your soul goes after you die. That your death is just an illusion. To live is to sleep. To die is to wake up and go cozy. But Gagage Menawannagozi Gamwinning, land of everlasting happiness, is the Ojibwe word for heaven, basically. Some people say, no, it's Abian. Abian. Or Ishpaming. Ishpaming. That's like the heavens, the sky. I call it the dome. Ishpaming, but whatever. But the story is, like just like in Christianity and in Islam, in Buddhism. I don't know about Buddhism, but in every culture everywhere, when you die, your soul leaves your body, travels to a land of everlasting happiness. Or as Nanaboozhoo calls it, the land of Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo.
The land of no more tears.
The land of no more tears. Gagage Menawannagozi Gowinning. And some people will think, oh, you're living in denial. If you want to believe that there's a soul, life after death, and helps you get through the day, go ahead. Here's your crutch. But, if you look at it a certain way, there's tons of evidence everywhere that this isn't everything. This is just the beginning. But also I like what your brother said.
What's that?
About crutches.
That they help you walk?
Yeah. Some people tell you, well, your belief in an afterlife is just a crutch. And Michael's brother Scott was like, well, here, the thing about crutches is they help you walk. Whatever. It helps you walk. Anyhow, so I think that's all I had today. Baby.
Should we call it a show?
Yeah.
All right.
Unless you want to add anything.
You want to push a book?
Should I push a book? Hey, everybody! If you'd like to learn Ojibwe, order Ojibwe Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons at Amazon.com. Links are in the description. You can also support us on Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe. Otherwise, my name is Natasha. I want to say Miigwech Bisandawieg. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. Miigwech Ganawabieg. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Oh, this is Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist.
Thanks so much.
This is Nanaboozhoo, the star of the show.
Okay, miigwech.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin min Minawa. Hoa. And miigwech once again, share realist.